Will digital services be replaced by AI? The answer is yes and no. But what I have discovered is for some digital services, AI can actually help you to reduce cost. So if you are interested to know which are the services that is not going to be replaced by AI, make sure that you stick to the end. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel, I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. It is so good to be back, guys. Happy 2024. I took a short 2 months break from YouTube. Initially, I wanted to restart my content on YouTube after Chinese New Year. But because of this comment by my subscriber, hi May, do you think job servicing will be viable and expand more in 2024 with new AI services becoming available? I just have so much to say about this comment, and thank you for your question. Because of this question, I'm gonna start giving you guys more information and tips on job servicing business and helping you guys grow your online business. So this topic is something that I have so much to say about, and I have to admit that AI do have a big impact on our online businesses. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you what are the digital services that can be easily replaced by AI and a list of digital services that won't be affected by AI. As a matter of fact, the list of digital services not affected, AI is going to help your business grow further. After working closely with many clients and during the AI era, I have developed an AI package that I incorporate into my online businesses that allows me to still do the project management, but at the same time increases my productivity and reduces cost. And because of this, there are many digital services that I no longer focus on, and if my clients require these services that I no longer promote, then I know exactly where to find them at much lower price. Here are the digital services that can be easily replaced by AI. Number one is voiceover or the voice assistants. For my creative agency, I do a lot of video services, and voiceovers are one of the most commonly requested service. The common video services that requires voiceovers are the 3D animated videos, explainer videos, and marketing videos. Gone are the days where software generated voiceover sound robotic. Nowadays, with AI generated voiceovers, the result is very human-like. At times, I can't even differentiate whether the voice coming out from my computer is AI generated or is human.
Several communicable diseases, such as measles and chicken pox, wiped out whole tribes and villages.
Ever wondered why is it that the food that's nutritious never seems to taste as good? Well, that's about to change.
The second digital service that can be easily replaced by AI are the customer service jobs. In case you don't know, on Fiverr, you can actually find a lot of customer service or customer support that we can hire. If you are a website owner or an e-commerce seller, it is very common for you to hire a live support customer service just to attend to inquiries and to give support to the customers. So instead of hiring Fiverr freelancers for these customer service or customer support role, you can just subscribe to a AI generated customer service which sound exactly like human. Let's listen to this and you be the judge.
Hey James.
I'm not interested, man.
Yeah, no worries. I hate calls out of the blue too. But I'm actually from Apple, and I saw you were checking out Vision Pro and were about to pre-order but left the page.
Dad, I
was curious, what had you looking into potential? Okay, I can respect that. Can I just ask one question before you go?
Fine, shoot. What's up?
Why did you decide not to pre-order the Vision Pros? I saw you changed your mind last minute.
Because they are crazy expensive. I'm gonna get the Meta Quest instead.
I get it. But you saw what happened to Threads, right? Do you think the Meta Quest will end up being a better product than the Vision Pros? Or is it just the price?
I mean, it's mainly about price. I'm sure the Vision Pros are going to be better, but I'm not spending $3,000 on a pair of goggles, my man.
I really can't differentiate whether is that a human or AI. So this is how amazing is AI, and if you guys are e-commerce seller or a website owner and you need to have customer service, you may want to consider this kind of AI services. The third digital service that is going to be affected by AI is email marketing automation. So if you have been job servicing email marketing services, then you need to listen up. There are many AI tools that can help your business automate email campaigns, optimize send times, and personalize content based on your user behavior. But wait, email marketing automation is just a component of email marketing services. The good news is you can still promote email marketing services to your client, especially for those clients that need to build sales funnel using email marketing system. The reason will be explained in my next section of this video, which is the list for digital services that will not be easily replaced by AI. So what defines a good email marketing system lies in the copywriting of the emails. So the first on my list for digital services that will not be affected by AI is sales copywriting. While AI has made a major advancements in natural language processing, there are several elements of sales copywriting that may be challenging for AI to fully replicate. We can totally differentiate between a copy which is made by AI and a good sales copy that is human written. So recently I've been working very closely with property agents, clients, and I have been assisting them in doing sales landing page. At first, they thought using ChatGPT can create them a very good sales page for their property business. Unfortunately, that's not the case, because the sales page generated by AI is just not convincing enough, and this resulted in a poor conversion rate for the sales landing page. This is similar to the next digital service that I want to talk about, and that is script writing and video production. Script writing involves a lot of storytelling, and this requires a lot of creativity, emotion, and a deep understanding of narrative techniques that may be challenging for AI to replicate. So imagine if you are to create a video similar to this, whereby you need to talk in front of a camera and you create an AI to replace me, then I seriously do not think that I am able to make a good connection with my audience. The third digital service that will not be easily replaced by AI is content creation. This is especially applicable to social media content creation. The reason is very similar to sales copywriting, because in order for you to create a good piece of content, you need to craft engaging and persuasive content that resonates with human emotions. It also incorporates creativity and aligns with the brand voice. This often requires the nuanced touch of human writers. The fourth digital service that will not be easily replaced by AI, or in this case will never be replaced by AI, is influencer marketing, unless the AI is the influencer. If you are running an influencer marketing agency, you are literally job servicing influencing services to your clients. This will definitely not be affected by AI because you need an actual influencer to do the service for you. The next digital service that I want to talk about is kind of like a combo, whereby you do have some AI roles as well as you need some human expertise in order for this to work. The digital service that I'm referring to is website development. There are many components and elements of a website development. Some of them I have already mentioned. For example, customer support chatbots, sales copywriting, content creation, and email automation. The number one component that I feel really need to have a human expertise in terms of website development is the website design and user experience. Designing a visually appealing and user-friendly website involves creativity, understanding of brand identity, and an empathetic approach to user needs. These are the qualities that are uniquely human, that no AI is able to replicate. On the other hand, AI has its very important role when it comes to website development, especially in terms of website analytics. AI can process vast amounts of data to provide insights into website traffic, user behavior, and performance metrics. So in order for your client to have a very good high-performance website, then AI is able to help you. And that is the reason why I mentioned in the first place that for website development service, you are still able to promote it to your job servicing clients. But since we do need a lot of human expertise in website development. You can turn AI as an assistant to help you through the whole project management. Nowadays, many website builders incorporate AI tools into their platform, and this makes our job much easier as well. So in conclusion, you should not remove website development as one of your job servicing product, because it is still a very lucrative service for you to promote, and it is still very profitable. In fact, it is one of the most high demand and highly profitable digital service that you should focus on in 2024. The only thing that need to change in this year for your job servicing business is to incorporate more AI tools into your job servicing business and lesser freelancers. This is a win for me because I'm going to cut down a lot of costs, because we do not need to hire freelancers for many of the jobs. For example, if let's say my client wants to do a business marketing video and they need a voiceover, I do not need to hire a voiceover artist to do the work for me. Instead, I can easily use AI to replace the voiceover artist, and it will cost much more lower for me. Job servicing business is a very flexible online business. All we need to focus on is to find someone to help us fulfill the services for us. So no matter if you are hiring the AI to do for you or a Fiverr freelancer, it does not matter, because as long as it does the job. Like I mentioned before, job servicing is still a very profitable online business. So if you are new to job servicing and you want to learn more about how you can start your own profitable job servicing business as a beginner, I have a full 2-hour tutorial for you. All you need to do is go to www.mayeng.co to sign up for the free tutorial. Or if you want to find out more about job servicing and what is this business about, I have more videos on job servicing. You can check it out over here. Keep your question coming in, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.